Hey everyone, welcome back to the Frontend Insight. In today's video, we are going to tackle a popular JavaScript interview questions. How do you find the longest word in the sentence? Okay, so it's a simple but powerful problem that can help you strengthen your understanding of loops, string methods, and basic logic. So let's dive into it. So the goal here is simple. Given a sentence, we need to find the longest word in that sentence. For example, if the sentence is I love programming, if the sentence is I love programming, if the sentence is I love programming, the longest word should be programming. Okay, so we will write a function called uh, longest word, and that takes a sentence as an input and return the longest word. Okay, so let's start by defining the function. We we call it the find longest word. Find longest word. Okay, so we have this function. So and we have a argument here sentence. So we are taking the argument here sentence. Okay, and it will take one argument as a sentence. Okay, then the first thing we need to do is break this sentence into individual words. So we can easily do that using JavaScript split method. Okay, so method so we will split it by space. Okay, so let word into sentence, then we use the split and we split it by space. Okay, so this gives us an array of words. Let me rewrite the variable. So this gives us an array of words. So if the input sentence is I love programming with JavaScript, we will get an array like this. So we will get an array like this. Let me write words. So we will get the array like this. I love programming with array means we will get the 5 elements in array. Okay. So next we need a variable to store the longest word we have found so far. So let's call it the longest word. Let's call it the longest word. And we initially set it as empty string. Okay, now looping through the words. So now we need to loop through the array of words and check the length of each word. So we will use for of loop for this. Okay, let me write the for loop. Okay, so we have, I'm taking the variable word of words. Okay, so inside the loop we will compare the current word's length with the length of the longest word. Okay, if the current word is longer, we will update the longest word. Okay, so let's write the condition here. If word dot length is greater than longest word dot length. Then we will longest word. We assign the longest word as a word. Okay, we'll update the longest word here. So we are updating the longest word here. Okay, so finally, once the loop finishes, our longest word will contain the longest word in the sentence. Okay, I mean this variable longest word will contain the longest word in the sentence. Means we have this sentence, so all we have to do it in return. Okay, so return longest word. Okay, so now let's test this function using the sentence I love programming. Okay, so let me write a console find longest word, and we are passing the string I love programming with JavaScript. Okay, if we run this, we should see programming as the output, which is indeed the longest word in the sentence. Let me save it and then let me run it. Node. I guess we made some mistake here. Oh, we are returning here in for loop. That is wrong. So we need to return it after for loop. Let me save it and then again try it. So now we get the output programming. So programming is the longest word here. Okay, let's try with some other word, other string. With you. Okay, let me save it and try it again. So now we get with you here. Okay. Okay, so and there you have it. Okay, so that's how you can find the longest word in a sentence using basic JavaScript, and this is a common question you might encounter in coding interviews, and now you know how to handle it with ease. Okay, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Okay, so thank you friends.